said? You said what? Joe? What did you say? Huh? Let's take ice cream and drink. Yeah, guys. Happy birthday to Mr. Solomon Osenige, the golden lion himself. Happy birthday, darling. It's a special day. Enjoy. It's your lady Shine Francis Otige Osenige, aka Igelo say worldwide, aka the gold lion. Yeah, it's daddy's birthday. I just said let me chill.
Okay, you have to chill for him because he's not here.
No.
Happy birthday.
Okay, Damon is wishing daddy a happy birthday. Though he's not here, we miss you, but we're wishing you all the best. Why didn't you use this? You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You're very greedy. Very greedy.
I have forgotten you on the video.
So? So please guys, I'd like you to keep a date with us on the 1st of April with the Comfortable Housewives Association of Nigeria. On the 1st of April, we'll be going out to carry out our first primary assignment, a visit to the widow that was abandoned by the husband's family with kids. So we'll be paying her a visit and giving her a helping hand on the 1st of April. So please keep a date with the Comfortable Housewives on this page, Shine Francis Odige Facebook page, for updates, because I'll be showing it live, okay? Just what do you have to say to daddy?
Is it daddy that sent you on the lights?
That's what you have to say. Did you see yourself on the camera?
Huh?
Did you see yourself on the camera? Yeah. So please guys, don't forget, on the 1st of April, keep a date with us, the Comfortable Housewives Association, as we pay a visit to carry out our first primary assignment on our humanitarian service. So we'll be giving a helping hand to the widow that was abandoned by the husband's family with kids. Don't fail to join us, and you please share. It's going to be on the 1st. We'll be coming out with the representatives of our members here in Nigeria. We'll be going out on that visit with all our representatives of our members here in Nigeria to that visit to the widow on our humanitarian service to humanity. It's very important. I would like you to have a date with us on the 1st of April. So my darling husband, Solomon Osemige, I wish you a blissful year, more celebrations, and age gracefully, age in good health, because health is wealth. Open this. Can you see yourself? What's going on? Like what's going on? Yeah, guys, how's your weekend going? I hope you see this progress we are making in our Comfortable Housewife Association. We are making progress. Our registration is in progress. So, Olua is involved. So I came out, I said, let me remind you guys that 1st of April is the due day for us to embark on this first primary assignment of our humanitarian service. Myself and the representative of our members in diaspora will be paying a visit to the widow. On the 1st of April. Please, I urge you to keep a date with us on the 1st of April. Keep a date with us, okay? It's my husband's birthday today. We're happy, we're glad, but we miss him. We miss him. I wish he was here. We have given him Go and ask Google the meaning of that word. Go and ask Google. Yeah, guys, I'm heading to Grandma's house. As in Damo's Grandma's house. I just let me chill a bit before we forge ahead.
something that is screen.
What's that?
She is not that we are going to put this thing and the screen. I said CC camera.
Look at the CCTV camera. That one up there.
Let's finish that stuff. We do not use it.
Happy birthday to you, Solomon Asemige, my darling, an amazing husband. I love you. Hearts, you guys. Lots of love to you all, my fans. My fans out there, my well wishers. I love you. Have a pleasant weekend ahead of you. Have a pleasant weekend and a wonderful week ahead of you. I love you guys.
Give me. Give me you cheat sour.
Take your drink, Joshi.
Was telling me you are lah. They get us to don't drink my pants.
After you didn't want to share. You didn't want to share.